Okay, welcome everyone today at this new webinar about DYDAS platform. And today we're going to talk about the marketplace features and the services that allow the users to publish, meaning sell and buy their own data, their own models and dashboard inside the marketplace. Um, and also use other datasets from other users and as well as public and open data. Okay, so let's start with the same login, and we go in our already created project. Is this one, demo DYDAS. Okay. So as you can see here, we have our two datasets created in the first webinar. And now, first, I want to show you what is the marketplace and what you can do with it. Okay, so basically here you can search for other people dataset and projects. Okay, so for example, here you can see there are five projects of type scenario, and you can of course buy those, and since are open data, okay, meaning you can access those data without paying. Here the price is zero, okay. And so for example, if I like this project, I go inside this project. Okay, you can see here some information. Okay, for example, the project name, how many days of expiration does this order have, meaning once you order and buy one project, the publisher of the project, the owner, has 365 days before the license for using uh, this paid project. Um, Meaning you can use this project just for the expiration days. Okay, after that you need to rebuy it, or you can use it anymore. Okay, and as you can see here, there are all the dataset of this project, and like I told you, since this project has uh, only free data, open data, you can see here this little icon. Okay, and this means this dataset is open data. Okay, so you cannot buy something that is open. Okay, and you can also leave a rating here. You can see the details about publisher, and yeah, in this case there are no models. Okay, but maybe here there are. Yeah, here for example in this project that I already ordered, you can see here there are some models, in this case one, and clicking on the model you can see some information. In this case there are no available information because the publisher didn't add some information, but uh, you'll see here also, you can see here the license, and the license is really important in DYDAS, since um, with the license you can know what you can do and what you can't. Okay, and yeah, here also there are some datasets, and some of them are public. For example, those, there is this icon and is an open data. Here for example you don't have those, so it's not an open data, meaning you can't use this dataset unless you buy the project. Okay, for the open data, instead you can use them also without buying the project, and we'll see how very soon. Okay, so this is the search functionality of the marketplace. Here you can filter for what you want, what you need basically. For example, I want to search with these buttons, I can search for the type of the project, okay? And I can also use the advanced search to search some projects. Here you can see the published project for this user. For now, I don't have no published project, so there is nothing. But we'll publish one project soon. And in the orders, you can see all the orders that you made, meaning all the project that you buy. For example, I bought this this project some days ago to try, and as you can see here, there are my history of orders. Okay, so let's go now and try to import an open data. Okay, I want, for example, uh, as you can see here, there are all open data in DYDAS. And if you remember, those Mito datasets are dataset of a project that is not uh, that I didn't buy. Okay, the maritime project. But like I told you, since those are open data, I don't need to buy the project. Okay, because they are free. And also those are from other projects, and even if I didn't bought them, I can use those data, okay, because are open. Here instead I have the purchase dataset, okay, because like I told you, I bought the DYDAS Energy project, and so I can use those dataset, okay. And so let's try to find a dataset. Yeah, an open dataset. There is wind farm, and is from the is a geospatial dataset and vector. Okay, so if I want to use this dataset, I just click add. Okay, and now you can see here the dataset appears. Of course, it's not my project. Okay, as you can see here, I have less functionalities than here. Okay, I can just download the data and view the data. Okay, and you can know that is imported project because here you have the icon of imported project. But like I told you, you can see it. And for example, we can go in preview and see information about those data. Okay. For example, here there are the wind farms in Italy. Okay. And I can click on it to take some information. Okay. As I can see, I can read without problem the data. Okay. And yeah, well, basically this is how you import and use your one project that you both, one dataset that you both inside the marketplace or an open data. Okay. Now, what if I want to publish my project? Okay, let's say I in my project demo DYDAS, I want to publish it. Okay, I made some models, I upload some data, and now I want to sell it to the marketplace. Okay, so I go in the summary, and I go in the publish. Okay, here you can see there are some information required. For example, the publish name, and for example, is the test publish demo. Okay, and here some description. And here, as you can see, you can choose the expiration day from which the user that buy this project can no longer use it. Okay. For example, now we can choose 90 days. Okay. And the price, let's say 0, so that can buy without problems. We choose some tags if you want. There are not required tags, but say economy. Okay. And an image, if we want to publish an image, we can use the same image that we use in the dataset. That is this Italy image, okay? And you can also add more images. Now, in the dataset tab, you can choose which dataset you want to publish, okay? For example, I want to publish them both, okay? So I select both. Now, I need to tell the platform which of those data are open dataset, meaning data that I cannot sell because are open, okay? In our case, technically are both open because I took them online and are as open data. But for this example, we select only Italy regions, okay? And I also need to choose a model if I want to publish, okay? But since I don't want to publish a model, I will not select. And also I need to tell if I want to publish a dashboard. Okay, we didn't show the dashboard service yet, but we'll see in the next lecture. So for now, I just don't want to publish, so I click publish, and as you can see, now if we go in publish project, you can see here we have our project that is published, okay, with our tag that we have here, okay. So, and what happens if I want to buy this project, okay? I don't know if with this user, of course, I cannot since I am already part of this project. Let's try to change account, okay? Okay, now I go in some project, okay, for example, this one is, and I go in the marketplace, I go to search, and as you can see now here, there is the project that we just published, okay. So one thing I can do is, of course, order it. Okay, as you can see here, all the information of the on the published stuff. For example, here we just published only dataset, so you can see only dataset. You can see models and dashboards because we didn't publish them. Okay, so I order this project, and if I go inside one of my test. Now, since I already I bought this project, I can go to a dataset, okay? And as you can see here, there is C raster because is the dataset that wasn't open that we choose. Remember, we choose just one dataset published as open. There is Italy regions, okay, in fact is under open dataset, okay, and I can always add this without by the project. But since we bought the project, you can also add C raster, okay. And as you can see, I have imported two of the dataset, and of course you can view this. If you remember, this was the image raster that we uploaded in the first webinar, okay. And yeah, this is the marketplace functionalities, and as you can see here, there are orders, and this is the last one. Okay. Yeah, basically these are the main functionalities of the marketplace, and how to buy and sell your own data, your own models, and your own dashboard inside the DYDAS platform. Hope you enjoy it. Have a good day.